Welcome to a brand new video, this time from our rental car that we have for the next 2 weeks. This video is completely dedicated to food. As everyone else, we still can't travel, and therefore we are gonna eat our way throughout the city of Zurich. And we are starting this video with Bagel Boys. We are here in the district of Oerlikon. It's a residential area. And yeah, they're doing original American bagels here. And I went for the most traditional bagel, which is a classic lox. This is how it looks. And as always, it's good. Usually we come here on Sundays, grab some bagels for brunch and take them home. But you can also get different bagel creations.
Bacon and egg.
Bacon and egg?
Bacon and egg.
Are you looking forward to it?
I'm not going to really give a long description because I am starving. I haven't eaten anything yet today and it's now 1 p.m.
Take a bite. Yeah? Good?
Could use some salt.
Okay. So the bacon is not salty enough?
The bacon... I haven't even tasted the bacon yet, but the hash brown on there and the egg are both not salted.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry. They've done better, so I'm not going to judge them badly, but...
It's not your favorite?
It's not my favorite. It's kind of boring.
We've come to Sportsland. They are famous for being a completely vegan bakery. They're pretty hyped in Zurich. I've read a lot of stuff about them. So finally, we are trying the donuts. We have passion fruit, chocolate and peanuts.
And bananas.
And banana. Cinnamon and sugar. And raspberry. First bite of that vegan donut.
It's good. It's you can't really tell it's vegan.
You can't?
It doesn't have the typical donut taste though.
Okay.
But it's more like a, I don't know, like a Berliner. But yeah, it's good. It's fine.
I'm trying the passion fruit. It smells like a donut. It smells very sweet and sugary. Okay, the frosting sticks to your mouth. It's very soft. There's a little cream inside here. Yeah, I cannot tell that these are vegan donuts. It's very good. If I would be a vegan, these would be my go-to donuts, I guess. Very good. Very good.
Today we are going to try Zurich's newest food edition, which most of you probably know, very well known, Popeyes.
I've never heard of them before.
Popeyes is a very famous American fast food chain specialized in chicken. Kind of like KFC, if you know KFC, but just different, and I kind of like it better. So let's see if they can transform what they do in the US, if they can do the same thing here. I went for their classic chicken sandwich combo, which comes with Cajun fries. To be honest, it's not very much though. Portions are kind of small. To go along with that, we decided to go for all of our sauces. Pretty good, just like I expected.
Is this better than KFC? I mean, I can't try the chicken, so
Yeah.
I want to know.
I say so.
It's better than KFC?
I like it better. Let's try the sauces.
No.
So all in all,
So far they don't have any vegetarian alternatives to their chicken burgers. So if you're a vegetarian, you can have a milkshake. I guess they're quite famous for their milkshakes, and you can eat their fries. I wonder if there are different sizes of the fries though.
Got it, because this is not bad. Seasoning's nice.
Yeah, seasoning's very nice. You can also get them loaded with cheese, I guess.
Sandwich is good.
Is it a burger or is it a sandwich?
If it has chicken on it, it's a sandwich. If it has beef on it, it's a burger. So this is a chicken sandwich.
So we're here at La Chamaca. They are doing authentic Mexican tacos. They have this food truck. You can check where they are online.
I love it. Really good. Best tacos in town.
Mine are vegan tacos made out of pea protein and marinated in the pastor marinade. And Brian has a mix of tacos.
Ja, bitte.
This habanero sauce is so good.
Mild.
I learned the tacos stay straight and you have to bend your head a little bit, and that's the way you bite into it. And it's so good. The tortilla is definitely homemade. It's a little spicy, it's fresh from lime. There's coriander on it. It's very good. Highly recommend it. We've come to Blacktop. That's the newest burger place here in the city. Blacktop was founded in New York. This is their second restaurant in Zurich. They started in Geneva, and we are expecting some good American burgers. And what's really cool about this place, if you're a vegetarian, you can substitute every burger patty with a vegetarian Impossible patty, which is really cool. So you have a big selection of burgers that you can order here. This tastes like meat, even though it's not. I had to ask again if that's really the Impossible Burger, because it's, oh my god, that's my first one, and I guess that's the meatiest one that I've tried so far. Impressive.
I think it's moved into first place for Zurich.
For Zurich?
For Zurich.
Okay. Does it taste like in the US?
Yeah, pretty close. Very good.
Awesome.
Can't complain.
It is now 6:36, and that's the line. So you can reserve if you want to come here. Be here early. We got here by 5:15 and we didn't have to wait. If you come later, just prepare yourself to wait in line for an hour or maybe 1.5 hours. And I do think it's worth it. It was very good. That was one of the best vegetarian burgers that I had so far. Staff was super friendly and fun to chat to. So this is definitely a very good addition to the burger scene here in Zurich.
Brunch Lunchtime. So today is Sunday. It's a very foggy, cold day outside, but a perfect day to have brunch. So today we've come to our one of our go-to brunch spots. It's called Fork and Bottle. Slightly on the outskirts of town, but they serve an amazing American brunch. You get anything from eggs Benedict to pancakes to beer, which is breakfast beer. This one's actually really interesting because this one is pumpkin spiced and also has a little cinnamon taste to it. Not really what I was expecting, but I'm sure it's going to be really good with the food. So yeah, let's see. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. Oh, really good. I like it.
I'm very happy with the dish that I ordered. The avocado smash. It has some feta cheese crumbles on top. The poached egg is perfect and just oozing out. And I changed my home fries for some salad to pretend that I'm eating healthy today. But yeah, I guess the dressing on it destroys everything. And we still have the pancakes to try, which I'm very much looking forward to. This is like my belated birthday cake. Salted caramel banana pancakes. It's very caramelly. That's worth ordering it. Yes. So this is really one of our favorite places in the city, even though it's far from home. It's not easy to reach, especially if you don't have a car. Yeah, we found them because we were looking for an original American burger, and this is what brought us here a while ago. And since then we are just coming back.